What is atomic number? You might have studied these things in your high school, in college level. So the atomic number is simply the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. Just the number of protons. But if you look at any atom, the number of inside an atom, so you have a nucleus. Let me draw a little bigger picture here. Let me draw a bigger picture here. So if you look at any atom, what you have is nucleus, and inside the nucleus you have proton, you have neutron, and electrons are orbiting around it. So electrons orbit around it. So the atomic number is simply the number of protons you have inside the nucleus is called the atomic number. For example, in this case I have 2 protons. So this is just an example. So the atomic number will be simply 2. And also remember, like in any atom, electrically neutral atom, the number of protons is always equal to the number of electrons. So the atomic number in a neutral atom is also equal to the number of electrons. Now the mass number. The mass number simply means the number of protons and the number of neutrons together we call as the mass number. Okay. So let me give you an example. If you look at helium as an example has 2 protons, 2 electrons and 2 neutrons. So let's find out the atomic number. So clearly the atomic number is equal to the number of protons. So its number of protons is 2. So atomic number will be 2. So simply the atomic number means the number of protons. That's all think about. Atomic number means number of protons, which is 2. And the mass number is number of protons and number of neutrons together. So number of protons is 2, number of neutrons is 2. So together it will be 4. So how do we represent any atom with the protons and the mass number? So that's the standard notation. For example, helium. So this symbol means 2 means the atomic number. That means just the number of protons. And this 4 means inside the nucleus. How many numbers you have inside the nucleus? So 4. So this 4 means the number of protons plus number of neutrons. So as the number of protons and number of neutrons together is 4 and the number of protons is 2, the number of neutrons must be 2. Okay. So for example, again here in carbon, what does this 12 means? The 12 means the mass number. That means the number of protons plus number of neutrons. So let me write down here just number of protons and number of neutrons. And this one is number of protons here. So this one has 6 protons and 12 protons and neutrons. So how many neutrons it will have? 12 minus 6. 12 minus 6 will give you the number of neutrons. Okay. So let's do another example. Sodium. What does the 11 means? This 11 means atomic number. And what does the atomic number tell you? It tells you the number of protons. What does this 23 tell you? The 23 tell you the number of protons plus number of neutrons. So how many neutrons it will have? The number of neutrons it will have is 23 minus 11. So number of neutrons will be 12 in this case. So this is it from this video. If you have any questions, write down in the comment section below. And do not forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much.